In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create vertical dividers in Notion. If you've ever wanted to separate sections side by side in a cleaner, more visual way, this is a simple trick that can help. Notion doesn't offer a built-in vertical divider in the same way it offers horizontal ones, but with an inline equation, you can create the look of a vertical line and customize it to fit your layout. To get started, open the Notion page where you want to add the divider. Once you're on the page, click anywhere in the area where you want the vertical divider to appear. Make sure you're placing it in the part of the page where it makes sense for your design, especially if you're working with columns or side-by-side content. Next, click into the page and type a / followed by the word equation. From the menu that appears, select Inline Equation. This will open a small equation box directly inside your page. Even though it's called an equation, you can use it for more than just math. And in this case, it's going to help us create a visual divider. Now paste the mathematical code from the description of this video into the equation box. Once you paste it in, Notion will render it as a vertical line. This is the key step that creates the divider effect. If it doesn't appear exactly the way you expect right away, just click out of the box and let Notion finish rendering it. After that, you can customize the divider by editing two parts of the code. If you want the line to be thicker or thinner, change the value that says 1.5 px. Increasing that number will make the line bolder, and decreasing it will make it more subtle. You can also adjust the height by changing the value that says 100 px. A larger number will make the divider taller, while a smaller number will shorten it. This gives you a quick way to match the divider to your page layout and style. If you're using the line between blocks of content, it may take a little experimenting to get the height just right, so feel free to test a few values until it looks balanced. And that's it. By using an inline equation and a small piece of code, you can create a clean vertical divider in Notion and fine-tune both its thickness and height to better fit your page.